Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Thus, seeing the disturbance of the general populace and the imminent destruction of the planets, Arjun at once retracted both Brahmāstra weapons, as Lord Sri Krishna desired. The theory that the modern atomic bomb explosions can annihilate the world is childish imagination. First of all, the atomic energy is not powerful enough to destroy the world. And secondly, ultimately it all rests on the supreme will of the Supreme Lord, because without his will or sanction, nothing can be built up or destroyed. It is foolish also to think that natural laws are ultimately powerful. Material nature's law works under the direction of the Lord, as confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita. The Lord says there that natural laws work under his supervision. The world can be destroyed only by the will of the Lord, and not by the whims of tiny politicians. Lord Sri Krishna desired that the weapons released by both Drauni and Arjun be withdrawn, and it was carried out by Arjun at once. Similarly, there are many agents of the all-powerful Lord, and by his will only can one execute what he desires.